Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to make this quick video about Uber's new bonuses. And if you're a driver, you might be missing out on a new opportunity to earn extra income. So please thumbs up the video, comment down below. If you're an Uber driver, Lyft driver, get in the comments. Before I get started, I want to tell you all about T-Mobile and their new tablet that they're giving drivers for free when you use my link below. We do have a partnership with them, and drivers, all you got to do, get this, use my link, it's free. It's probably in your market. They're expanding nationwide. And put this in the back of your headrest. Passengers play games. They don't even have to play games. You still make money, $100 a month. Or if you start doing referrals and stuff, you can start making $200, $300, $400, $500 a month. There's even some drivers out there making over $1,000 per month. So check out Play Octopus if you'd like. It's totally free, no commitment. Can return at any time. But yeah, just stick it, slap it on the back of your headrest. I've made videos about it, and you can start making some decent income. So anyways, wanted to hop into my Uber app, my Uber driver app. I'm actually, guys, my background check, I don't know what's going on, but I think I might have been officially deactivated. I'm not sure. Because look at this, guys. So I go into my app, which this isn't what the video is about. I'm gonna get into it in a second, but let me know because I'm actually having trouble. It says when I go on here, it says you know, your account needs attention or whatever. And it says here, let me know, does this mean I'm deactivated, guys? Because I click on this and this is all it says. It says your background check needs attention. Please contact our support team for more information. And then I click get support and it just takes me to this page. Like, I can't talk to anybody. Like, does this mean I'm deactivated? Like, it's so random. Like, I don't know. I'm afraid to like go into the Uber hub because I feel like they're just gonna I don't know. You can book. Oh, they actually do have a green light hub, so maybe I'll go into the green light hub and check it out. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. This video is about Uber opportunities. So if you go into your Uber driver app, I didn't know about this, but all you gotta do here is click on opportunities, right? And when you click on opportunities, it has these bonuses right here. Look at that. $120 extra by completing 5 trips. Have you guys seen that? That's over $20 bonus per ride. And if you scroll down, there's tons of them. And you just gotta click on them, and you have to click sign up though. I don't know if a lot of drivers know this, you have to click the sign up thing. If you don't click the sign up, you're not eligible. So anyways, wanted to make that quick vid. Let me know what kind of bonuses you're getting. Go to the opportunity section, comment below so we can all see how much everyone's making. And please, for the love of God, sign up for Play Octopus below. It's free to sign up. It's free money waiting for you. So do it. Get started earning cash. Everybody loves a little bit of extra cash. And if you're not doing this, you're wasting money just driving around in your car when you could be making tons of cash. So Play Octopus down below. T-Mobile. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.